let's say that you have multiple tabs open. You want to quickly navigate to your desktop to find a file. This is something that you probably do several times per day. Instead of using your mouse to manually navigate to the Windows nav bar and then clicking the Show Desktop button, you can instead use a shortcut that involves just pressing and holding the Windows key and then clicking D for desktop. And again, that's Windows key and D for desktop. In order to switch back to your last active window, just repeat the action by pressing and holding the Windows key and then clicking D.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.